Now see, what you're not gonna do is two things. Criticize me because I got my fan on, and as I tuck my hair behind my ear, you're not gonna sit up here and tell me this ain't my hair. This is my hair. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Mika Lynn, and here we are, another quick wig review. We are gonna hop right into this because, honey, listen, I'm a little confused. This unit has no lace to cut, okay, no parting space, okay, and I feel like I'm about to be a little naked about the head. So big thank you to HerGivenHair for sending out this unit. Definitely appreciate it. If you're interested in checking out their store or direct link to this unit, definitely click in the description box down below. Most importantly, if you're interested in any of the items that I use, definitely click for my Amazon storefront. Once again, in the description box down below. Here we go.
I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh yeah, I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh yeah.
Girl, you know that was my way of saying this a half wig. Now what I do find interesting about this particular unit is you don't have that harsh line of wig that you find on traditional half wigs. So they do have a more kinky edge approach to this particular hairline. Now this is supposed to be a very convenient, literally wash and go type of unit. No spray needed while protecting your edges. Hello. So yes, in other words, I'm about to be naked. So I do have a couple of styles that I do kind of have going in my mind. You know, the wig gears is kind of turning, you know what I'm saying? I think first we are going to go ahead and fluff up this unit. I'll do some of it right now on camera. I do kind of want to do like a nice little half up. Y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see.
She the girl in my visions. Now that I found you, I'm fiending for all your attention. Girl, yeah, hope you don't mind if I give you a tour of my mansion. Yeah, all of this for you, babe. Nothing I won't do, babe. Weak for your love. Everywhere we go, it be alright.
Now let's face it, no one knows your hair like you, okay? So I opted to style this straight out of the pack. I did not want this hair like completely drenched. I also did not want super defined curls. So I'm going to go through with the Aunt Jackie's Curl Boss, and I'm going to finger twirl a lot of this hair between my fingers, and I'm going to concentrate on the ends. To prep my hair, I'm going to use the same gel and use the same process for my hair as well.
Yeah, can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh yeah, I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh yeah, yeah.
Now see, what you're not going to do is two things. Criticize me because I got my fan on, and as I tuck my hair behind my ear, you're not going to sit up here and tell me this ain't my hair. This is my hair. Listen. And the only thing that I am upset about, I have no idea where my hair ends and this wig begins. Get into it. Now I do have like one particular style I want to try with this unit while I'm talking. This unit right here is unbelievably natural, and the fact that the blend on here is so freaking good, like you cannot tell where my hair is and where this unit begins. I'm not gonna make this like too super perfect. I'm just gonna take some of this hair, some of my hair. I'm just gonna put this in a very easy ponytail. We're not gonna spend too much time making it perfect. And let me adjust accordingly, because we gonna slay accordingly. Alright, so I'm just gonna fix this a little bit. Find that this is a half wig unit, so the styling options are so versatile with this. Like this one. This is cute or whatever. This is giving me like brown girl Marge Simpson, baby. How you doing, Homer? They did send me a 1B, which is obviously going to be a color service. This does come in a natural color. I actually really love the length on here. That's my favorite part about this unit, because it makes it look so freaking natural. Get into it. But I mean, sis, no lace, no glue, no melting, no baby hairs. Do your own swoopity swoops and you set, because you're gonna make it do what it do. That gold ombre unit that I've been sporting lately is definitely #1 on my curly hair wig list, and this is definitely #2. This is something that I would reach for in the summer, because it's sweat proof. I don't have to worry about anything lifting on me, and it's out of my face. Out of my face. So yeah, big thank you to HerGivenHair for sending out this unit. If you are interested in checking out this particular unit or any of their other wigs, definitely hit up the description box down below. It will take you directly to their website with all the store links. If you're interested in any of the products that I use, especially Aunt Jackie's Curl Boss, then go ahead and hit up the description box. Hit up my Amazon storefront. The link is right there for your viewing pleasure. Big thank you to all of you for tuning in. I always appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button before you go. Ring the bell. Drop me a comment down below. Most importantly, share the video so we can all slay accordingly. Baby, take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.
Much going on in that mind. Let me help you. Yeah. Let me give you the moments in your life to step to fly away together. Can't help it with your body. Just wanna make you happy.